In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fun opening where your video is revealed like a gift being unboxed on the screen. Open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the start of the timeline so the reveal feels natural. Tap on the clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation settings. Switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the beginning. Scroll through the animations until you find Unbox Moment, then apply it. As soon as it's applied, the video appears as if a box or gift is opening, creating a playful and celebratory reveal. Use the duration slider to control how fast the unboxing happens. Faster timing feels energetic and exciting. Slower timing makes the reveal feel more dramatic and suspenseful. Preview the animation and fine-tune the duration so it matches the tone of your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a gift-style unboxing reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.